Hello my loves, welcome to my channel. This is Twinkling Stars Astro. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back, and if you have yet not subscribed, please click the bell button down below and subscribe my channel. This is for my lovely Taurians, alright, my lovely Taurian people, alright. So this is a general reading for this coming week, alright. I hope the last week would had been wonderful for you all people, alright. So it might resonate again, might not resonate, so it's okay. Don't get hard pressed on yourself if it doesn't get resonate, as it's a general reading, alright. So some Taurians might feel it's not getting resonated, so don't worry, alright. Maybe in the next week again. Alright, so do leave your comment in the comment section box and let me know. Alright, and do leave your suggestions as well. Alright, and rest of the information is given below into the description box. Alright, I'm open for the personal readings as well. Alright, so the calling number and the WhatsApp digits are mentioned in the description box. You can visit there and contact me from there. Alright, so let's begin, Taurians. That what do we have for my beautiful Taurians this week from this Tuesday till coming Monday. Taurians, new opportunity. Wow, that's beautiful. New opportunities, Taurians. Something is coming to your way. Alright. Anxiety is hitting you, Taurians, this week. Something is happening. What is it? Nightmares? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Taurians. Oh wow. This is beautiful. Alright, Taurians. At the bottom of the deck, you have the Hermit. Withdrawn from something. Or withdrawing from something. If not yet withdrawn, maybe withdrawing from something, getting into an introspection mode, getting into the self-introspection mode, getting, away from the world, from the people around, and getting into the deep thinking mode. What is that which is troubling you, Taurus? All my Taurus people, what is that that's troubling you? Let's see, what do we have? Alright, with the health, this Ace of Swords, health would be fine, but still, you need to take care of it. Alright, so just, it is good. You'll be fine with your health, but still need to take care. Don't get completely off with your health that, okay, now I would be fine, nothing to worry about. Alright, but still I'll say that you need to take care a bit. Alright, in your health terms. Alright, coming your finances. If you're investing somewhere, Taurian, this week, or even if you're planning to, invest this week, with this High Priestess card, there are two situations. Alright, there are two situations. If you're if you're investing, think practically, don't involve your emotions. People, I hope, when it's about the investment, and when the people approaches you, then sometimes you're driven emotionally as well for investing your money. Do not get driven emotionally this week, or you will face the consequences if you invest anywhere emotionally. Alright, this is the first approach. Second approach is that inspect the entire situation completely, because there's something white and there's something black. See these two pillars, the B is black and the J is white, so it's a black and white situation. You're not aware about the complete situation or the deal completely. Alright, and as it's your finances, and even if you're this is about the invested, even you're spending your money at somewhere, right, your expenditures and everything, so don't go blindly. That would be an advice. Don't go blindly, otherwise the finances would be a challenge for you this week, Taurus. Alright, so just take care about that. Coming to your workplace, the Knight of Swords, very fast moving energy. You're working very, very hard, and you're moving very fast at your workplace. You want to complete all your tasks, you want to complete everything very soon, all right, and do not want to delay anything, right? That's a good part. Full of action you are at your workplace, but still I would advise you little bit hold on, all right, just slow down your pace a bit, all right. I'm not saying just completely come into the completely stagnant position, but then slow down a bit. That is the requirement, all right. Otherwise workplace is treating you well, not a problem. Okay, in your relationships, what I'm feeling with this strength card, something is troubling you. Something is troubling you with your partner. You're trying to handle the situation as if now, and you will be able to handle it also, Taurian. So nothing to worry about, but then you need strength, as the card is actually saying strength, all right. So deal strengthfully in your relationship this week. There might be some arguments or some disagreements, all right, or maybe something can come up this week for my Taurians in their relationships, all right. So yeah, take care with that, all right. Challenge for you this week is the stability with the King of Pentacles. You are losing your stability this week. That something is King of Pentacles is all about the stability, all right. Somebody who is very stable, somebody who is very grounded, somebody who is very sticky to the ground, right? So what I'm feeling, the challenge for you is the stability this week. You're getting fickle minded, or you're getting unstable with your approaches or with your decisions, and because of that you are having anxiety and getting nightmares and getting the mental stress. So this week is all about the stability, all right. The final outcome is the Five of Swords and the Nine of Cups. You'll get the material benefit this week. You might be getting some material benefits this week. It could be anything. Might be you're getting your deal off, or maybe you're purchasing something at your house. It could be anything, all right. But then take care. A caution for you with this Five of Swords: don't get into any sort of a fight and don't dominate people around you, all right, because that is not the way you get the things, all right. So Five of Swords is again dominating the people and leaving them in cold, and you behaving like that, you are the king, all right. So do not do that, all right, for your materialistic happiness. Don't harm anybody, don't scare anybody for your materialistic happiness, all right. So just take care about it, Taurus, just take care about it. So let's see, what do we have for my Taurus this week? What do we have for my Taurus? Oops, just a minute. Okay, what do we have for my Taurus this week? Okay, let's take this card. Oh wow, men holding a heart, Taurus. So all my beautiful Taurians who are men, for whom you're holding a heart, all right, or maybe this is in you want to give something to somebody, all right, and this is an indication that this is the right time, all right. I am seeing a new beginnings in the relationship as well, all right. Okay, now I'm getting this. Now I'm getting this. Okay, let's all right. So it's like that. You're thinking, with this thinking woman, I found this at the bottom of the deck. You're thinking to give your heart to somebody, all right, and for that you need the strength, all right. This is for my singles, all right, all my single Taurians, all right, and who are married. You're thinking to again, give something to your wife, all right, or to talk something, a heartful conversation with her, for which you're not able to gather the strength, all right, and for which you have to gather the strength. You're taming your fear as of now, and to, getting towards your lady that okay, this is what I really want to talk to you, all right. So this is what coming for you, for my beautiful Taurus this week. This is beautiful. This is really beautiful. It really touches me when I get this card of men holding a heart, women holding a heart, which gives me the feel that some heartful conversations are around the corner, all right. And maybe your wife wants to do it, or maybe you want to do it with wife. Take as it resonates, all right. It could be vice versa as well. So nothing to worry about. If you are thinking that okay, I don't want to do it, but then suddenly you find your wife coming across to you, all right, and giving you some gifts, or something like that, all right. So let's see what is the final message for my Taurus. What is the final message for my Taurus? 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 Right. The final message for my Taurus is from the Gayatri Devi, the mother of devotion. Alright. See, when I pull this card, I just hit with this feeling. You need to get devoted in your relationship, Taurus. That is what the call of the week. And I think this week is all about romance for you, I believe. Alright. So let's see what blessings Gayatri Devi wants to give you for this week. Is the peace of mind, the spiritual knowledge, the greater concentration, and ability to please all the gods. Alright. So, ability to please. I hope you get what I'm trying to say. Alright. The final prayer for you is, O Gayatri, you are the personification of Brahma. You are the goddesses of knowledge, the divine twilight. You are ageless and immortal. You are the mother of the Vedic knowledge. I bow down to you. This is the final message for you, for my beautiful Taurians. Alright. I hope this resonated with you. Please leave a comment into the comment section down below. Alright. And see you next week. Bye bye.